Hello everyone and welcome back to Canadian Drivers. So this is Alex. Alex just passed his G2 road test. Now he is a fully licensed and he can drive anywhere he wants. We're gonna show you guys now. He asked me if I can do the lesson with him before he leave me for the highway. So now we're gonna exit on 401 East, okay? So just look over the shoulder, yeah. Now the speed limit on the highway, it's what? It's 100, right? 100. So make sure that now it's a little bit traffic. So we're gonna do some lessons so you can feel more comfortable when you're on your own. So step up on the gas, step up. You have a merge here, push the gas. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Keep on going. Don't merge yet. Keep on going, yeah, speed up. And now you start to merging with the traffic, okay? So look over your shoulder, that's it. So now when you see the merge sign, when you're on the traffic, you're going almost until the end. Change the lane to the left one more time.
Yeah, whenever.
Now, because we're gonna exit now. So you have to get ready. We're going to 401. Make sure you're checking the blind spot and it's clear. There we go. So this is, how long, have you been driving on the highway before?
Like 5 years.
5 years, right? So, but not in Canada, right?
No.
So this is, look at this, guys. The traffic is heavy. We're going express now, 401 East.
But it looks like not express. It looks like very slow.
It looks like slow now, but you will see it's gonna start moving. It's just because it's too much traffic right now this time. But when we're gonna move a little bit more forward, the traffic will be less. How you feeling? Are you nervous?
Right now I'm like excited because
You excited?
I finally can drive.
You got your license today. So now it's just the simple thing you need to do. Just be more comfortable, right? And driving safely. Correct, Alex? You don't want to fly. You have to maintain this speed. So when it's safe, change the lane to the left. So guys, now it's a heavy traffic. So it's you need to be very careful when you're changing the lanes, especially in the highway. Nobody will let you get in. So take your time. Very good. Yeah. Make sure you're clearly checking the blind spot. Sometimes people here you cannot see because it's a bumper to bumper and you don't want to miss the car that will be beside you.
Exactly.
Right? So just make sure that you're still keeping two hands on the steering, right? So you don't want to, I know you got the license, right? So you're more comfortable, but
Don't be so comfortable.
that's right. Don't be so comfortable. So now we're merging into the 401 and it's a bad traffic. Hopefully it's gonna move soon. So you can see, guys, the cars are all over the place beside the cars. So now try to change the lane one more time when it's safe. So you see there is a pavement, so you cannot cross yet.
Exactly.
But when you're getting to the highway, you start moving to the left. Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. You will learn a lot from these videos. Also, most of my videos will be uploaded on the Patreon. If you would like to see first, you always have option to join me on my Patreon. See, that's okay. Take your time. This is highway, right? Look at the right side. Somebody cut you off. So keep on going straight. And you see there is another car, right? So you need to be very careful. Highway, it's not a joke.
Exactly.
It's okay.
You like have God in your heart, you know?
See how heavy it is and big trucks, right? So
Yeah.
heavy traffic, you need to be more careful. Change one more to the left. And one more to the left. Okay, see, traffic changed, right? So it's a little bit more moving. But be careful, sometimes traffic goes fast and then it goes to zero.
Yes.
So you have to make sure that you're keeping the distance and maintaining the speed. You're very comfortable, I like that. Some people get nervous when they get to this kind of traffic. So this is his lesson on the highway now. Alex, how many lessons you took overall with Alex?
So today was the third one.
Today was the third lesson, right? And today you clear your G2 road test.
Yes. But it was very useful, guys. So don't wait. Don't try do it on your own. You can just lose your money. And
So you recommend to do mock test, you recommend to take lessons before you going for the test, correct?
because like you can know how to drive, but you can don't know how to pass the test. It's a little bit different, you know?
When it's safe, change the lane to the right. Okay. And when it's safe, change the lane to the left. So you see, you're almost ready to go for the highway test. Good job.
Unfortunately, I still
You need to wait, right? That's the problem. But you see, that's the training that you're gonna have, and that's what they're gonna ask you on the test. Merging, lane changes, and everything you have to do safe. See, the speed limit is just like from now we were going at 100, and now we are going. That's right, we're going almost like stopping. See, guys, so that's the thing. So highway, it's very dangerous. You need to be patient, and you need to keep the safe distance. When it's safe, change the lane to the right.
Change the lane to the right. Okay.
One more to the right. And we're gonna exit on the first exit, okay? So that's the one that Allen Road, and very nice driving, Alex. Good job, man. So put the signal to the right, and we're gonna exit from Express to Collector.
I got you.
And when you exit it, you start to pick up the speed to the speed that it's supposed to be. What's the speed
80.
limit here? That's it. So they put 80. 80, it's a recommendation. You can go even a little bit higher, no problem. The 80 is just a recommendation. I can see that you like speed, Alex. You like to go fast.
Unfortunately, it's true.
Unfortunately.
But you know, you should drive fast when it's safe.
When it's safe, correct. You see, now again, we just exit from Express to Collector, and the traffic start again slow down. That's the beauty of the highway. You can go fast.
And then stop in one.
That's right.
Such a nice truck over here. Peterbilt.
Guys, look at this guy. He just passed his G2 road test, and he's so comfortable driving on the highway. I like that. Good job, man. Good job. No. You don't do what the other car did. No, you want to be perfect. And also, that's the merge, right? From the right side. So you need to be very careful. You don't do what others do, right?
Yes.
You have to do what's safe. When you're gonna drive on your own, you're gonna change the lanes consistently, or you're gonna do it when it's safe?
Because when it's safe.
That's it.
So we just keep moving straight, right?
You keep going straight, and I will give you the next instruction very soon. Do you feel comfortable when you're changing the lanes?
Yes. Why not? Honestly, I feel comfortable on highway way more than on.
Then in the local streets? Some people, they have G license and they don't drive on the highway because they're afraid. And you saying you just got the license, the G2, and you feel comfortable more here on the highway than the local, right?
Yeah.
So guys, somebody from the Patreon asked me to do this video when somebody just passed test and trying to go for the highway just for practicing. So guys, when you're watching that, you can see that everything is possible, and Alex is doing great job.
Thank you.
So traffic on the 3 lanes, you need to be careful. We're gonna change the lane very soon to the right, okay? Yeah. Beautiful. Guys, as you can see, the car shows traffic from all directions, from the right and the left, and Alex keeping a safe distance. The key on the highway is to keep the safe distance. The reason is if you need to stop suddenly, you have enough room to stop. And also, some people changing the lane suddenly, you need to have enough time to slow down and the brake.
Like how I think about like driving on the highway and driving in general, like you can be afraid that oh my god, what will happen, like what if someone something will happen wrong, right?
Right.
But you should understand that no one want to crash their car, so all of you guys.
But sometimes you're not expecting, and this has happened. So you cannot judge, right?
Yeah.
You can only judge what you do, but what others, that's why you need to be very careful. When it's safe, change the lane to the right. We're gonna exit on Allen Road. So guys, that's the end of the video. He just did go straight first, go straight, yeah, and then just keep on going straight like this, and that's how you're gonna exit on Allen Road. That's the end of the video, guys. Alex just passed his road test, and now he asked me, we just did the highway lesson, and he did great. He was controlling the speed and the distance, and that's how you're supposed to do too. Good luck to you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.